Hey everyone, it's LethalLogicX. Welcome back to another Stock Lock Sunday video. So today I have with me the Mako 427 again, that was sent to me by StarryLock. This time I actually have a proper tool to gut it. So if I can get it picked, I can gut it for you guys as well. Alright. So we'll get this in the vise here. Last time I picked this, I remember it was just full to the brim of serrated pins. It gave me quite a bit of trouble. Let's see if we can get her open today. Not that big. This one. Okay, I think I got a little bit of a click on one there. Nothing on 2, nothing on 3, a little bit of binding on 4. Might be a low cut. 5, binding, got a good click. Maybe another? No, I don't think so. And might have missed 6 somewhere. I don't know. It's all feeling pretty set or loose back there. I think I got a click on maybe number 4 or 3 on the way back out. Another click on, I think this is 4. Some good grinding on him. Some more binding, I think, on 2. No, I think that one feels set. I think number 1 is set there. Number 2 feels pretty good. Might have gotten a little click on 3, he feels good. I think this is 4 here, and it feels like a really low cut. I think it's set and it's really low. I'll try to slide up behind him. Not sure about number 5 and 6 still. I can't get a good feel on them. Let's see if there's some oversets. Oh, there might have been. Definitely heard something fall back down. Not feeling much else in here now. Yeah, everything just feels like it's set. Oh, I might have gotten another click on 1 there. So number 1 needs to go up a bit more. I think you might be set now. Yeah, I'm not feeling much of anything else in here. Okay, got some good clicks on, I think, 3 there. That was good. Something else might have been overset there. Yeah, this lock is just not very nice to me at all. Try switching back to that sparrows pick, maybe. Oh, that was some good clicks. Oh, some more good clicks. I don't even know what bins those were. It was like 4 and 5 or something. I think number 1's good. Maybe some oversets? Okay, yeah, I think that's number 5 there. It's definitely got some serrations on it. Alright, might be set now. Glad I could unearth 1. Oh, we definitely got some clicks on it. Ooh. Yeah, I think that's good now. Oh, that felt good. Yeah, I really don't know what's holding it up now. Okay, got some clicks there. I think that was 4. Or it could just be oversetting. Wait, no, I just dropped into a false set. Ooh. No, I'll try to set the spool with this one. Yeah, we just need to figure out which pin is giving us the counter rotation. Hope I don't overset it or lose everything else. That kind of feels like counter rotation. It sounds like oversetting. Uh-oh. Come on. I was almost there. Something fell back down and now I'm not in the false set anymore. Okay. Huh. I might have had something overset there. Oh, that was it. Okay, don't want to lose that. Alright, we got that open. Holy cow. What a battle. Wait, hold on. We're gonna zoom the camera back out. There we go. Alright, now we can actually get this screw out that we couldn't remove last time. There we go. Of course this plate's going to be stuck. Come on. There we go. Drop the core out. Ah, it does have an anti-bypass wafer. That's good. Get that C-clip off of there. And grab the follower. Beautiful. Four. Oh. Wait, what? Oh. Oh, okay, we're gonna get back to that in just a moment. They have very weak springs. My goodness. Right. Which side was the front even? This one doesn't have an indent on either side. I think it was this side. Oh, these pins are so small, I'm going to have a very hard time grabbing them with my DIY pliers. Okay, that was 2. Come on. There's 3. Big old serrated pin. There's 4. And 5 was empty. So, I think we had a short stack in the number 5 position. My goodness, Mako, can you make your pins any smaller? Come on, get in there, you little sucker. Look at that. For shame, Mako. That is a short stack right there. So the key pin plus the driver pin equals the shear line for this. So this pin never had to be picked. And that is exactly how I went around picking it. I thought that was a very low cut, and it wasn't. But I could treat it as one. So, it's kind of a neat discovery. Anyway, let's see what we had for actual pins here. We had a couple of the key pins were serrated. Looks like... Come on, get over. Not 1. Number 2, 4, and 6 had serrated key pins. The drivers in number 1, 3, 4... Yeah, just 1, 3, and 4 were serrated. 2 and 5 were spools, and 6 kind of looks like it was a standard pin. Yeah, weird. That's just a totally standard pin. Interesting. Alright. Well, that's all I have for you on this Mako 427. Thank you again for Storylock sending this lock to me. Super nice. Now we're going to get back to the comment question of the week. So last week I asked you guys how you practice. Do you watch TV and pick a bucket of locks? Do you lock yourself down in your lock lab? And I got some great responses, so I'll flash those up on screen now, as always. I don't think I really answered that question myself last episode. I do most of my practicing down here in the lock lab. I practice maybe an hour or 2 a day. I try to get some picking in every day, but some days I inevitably miss. Anyway, your question for next week is going to be, what is your EDC, your everyday carry? Do you bring picks with you when you're out and about? Do you like to bring locks and picks and practice picking in public? I would really like to know down in the comments below. Me personally, I do not bring my picks in public. I pick almost entirely in secret. Alright, so shoot your comments down in the comments below, and I will share them with everyone next week. Alright, thank you for watching Stocklock Sunday. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and as always, have a good one.